Hi, welcome to my backyard city homestead. Today we're making a green smoothie and I have picked a few things already, but as the last minute stuff, I'm getting some treasures. Let me show you what I've got here. Can you see this? This is chickweed. This is lamb's quarters and this is chickweed. Both of them are weeds. So the lamb's quarters is very nutritious, and I'm just going to pull that up because I can spare it. But the chickweed, I don't have too many spots of chickweed left, so I'm not going to pull it because I'm hoping to get some more later. So I'm just going to clip it off. Chickweed is wonderful. It tastes great and it is full of vitamins. Okay, so lamb's quarters, and then I've got some more lamb's quarters here. This is kind of in the back of my garden, in the compost area, and so I can let them grow here, and they don't bother anybody. So let me just get some lamb's quarters. Okay, that's good enough. I'll add it to what I've got already here. I'll see you inside. Hi. Okay. I said in a previous email or video that I was going to do a video about green smoothies. And the truth is, I have made mini green smoothies between then and now. But it hasn't been it's not easy to video them, so I asked Pam to come over so she could help me with this. So, all right, so I went out and I picked a lot of things. I just put just gonna swish them around in the water to wash the dust off of them. We've got the lamb's quarters, the chickweed. I have, oh, there's some more. I have some kale, and I'm not gonna put all of the kale in there, but we'll put a little bit. That much will be good. This I'm not going to put in, but I needed to pick it. Now this is actually borage, and borage is really prickly. It's very good for you, and it actually tastes pretty good. But the prickly makes it, I don't even know, can you see those prickles there? Mm-hmm. They're kind of annoying when you're eating it fresh. And so I very rarely eat borage, and you can steam it and all those prickles go away, but I don't want to eat it steamed. I want to eat it fresh. So this is how you can eat it fresh, by putting it in the smoothie. All right, so I've got some parsley. I've got a couple of ugly branches there. And this is a flat leaf parsley, sometimes called an Italian parsley. So I've got a little bit of that. And then I have some curly parsley. Just a sec. Parsley is so good for you. So I'll put some curly parsley in there. Maybe we'll do that much. What else do I have in here? I have some oregano. I'm not going to put the oregano in there, but I noticed I've been watching this go to flower. This is oregano. Normally I don't let oregano go to flower, but I've got 1 or 2 spots. I've got oregano on about maybe 4 different spots. And I've got a couple of spots that I just let them go to flower because they're such pretty flowers. So I'll go through this in a few minutes and I'll show you what I'm going to do with those. And this is just another kind of kale. We'll add that. And what else do I have? Oh, I have some mint. I'm not going to put the mint in here. I'm going to put the mint, oh, I've got some lemon verbena. Thought I might put some lemon verbena in there just for fun, see what that's like. Okay, parsley. All right, that's it. I'll set that aside. That's for a watermelon salad that we're gonna have later. All right, so I'm just gonna squish them around. They really should, there's no reason for them to be dirty other than they do get dusty and stuff like that. So it won't take very long. I'll just Ah, I've got some rhubarb here too. I'll tell you what that's all about. Okay, so let me just put this down. I don't know if I want to put all of this in one smoothie or not. Whoops, we'll decide. Okay, I'm just going to put some rhubarb in there. I don't want to put too much rhubarb in there. I don't want it to be a rhubarb smoothie, but I am going to put in probably that much because rhubarb really adds something to almost everything. And it's full of nutrients. And it really adds a nice fresh flavor to it. Right here we have the lamb's quarters. And I don't know that I'm going to use all of this. It's quite a bit, but we'll use some of it. This is one kind of kale. This is another kind of kale. Here's the borage that I was telling you about. And you know what? I said that it was prickly. And it is prickly. It's not too prickly to touch. It's just a little prickly to eat. It tastes like cucumbers though, so it's worth it. If I chop it and just put a little bit in a salad, then I like it. I just don't want that texture. Okay, then this is the lemon verbena, which I have not used before in a smoothie, and then we've got chickweed. Oh yeah, and we've got some parsley. And our rhubarb that we're gonna use. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna do, there is no point. Well, you know what, since I've got the parsley in here, then I'll just, there's no point in chopping it too much because obviously it's going to get blended, but I do want to maybe get the worst of the stems off. Okay, we'll put that in there, and this one, just to make it easier to, I'm kind of excited about using this. There aren't that many places that you can use that because of that prickliness. I might as well put that one in. Okay, this is my favorite part. This is the chickweed. Chickweed is very maligned. Everybody, because it's a weed, everybody's got some kind of opinion against it, but I really like it. Actually, if you just eat it, like I just have it in a, Jack's here. Hi, Jack. Are you going to wait?
Yeah,
oh.
I can have a snack.
Okay, you can have a snack in a few minutes. I'm making you a smoothie. Okay.
What is it?
You'll find out. Okay, so this is the chickweed. I do more than just do this with it. I don't cook it, but I do put it in salads of all kinds. So it actually is quite sweet. It's very, tastes like chlorophyll. It's very good. It's gonna make this taste very green. Okay, so this lemon verbena, let's just try that. It's got quite a woody stem, and I don't want that stem in there, so I might just, okay, so, boy, that smells nice. Can you smell that now? Really? All that way? That's beautiful. All right, so we got everything in there. So this that I'm using, if you've watched any of my videos, you've seen this before. This is just an ulu knife with an ulu board, which is just my favorite kitchen tool. I never go a day without using it. Oh, okay, and this is my secret ingredient. I'm just going to put in some fresh rhubarb. So just chop it up enough that it's not gonna, or that it's gonna be easy to blend. And then I'm gonna put in some ice. Lots of ice because you want this cold. Normally when I make a smoothie I use frozen fruit, and so I don't have to use ice, but this I do. And then I'm going to put in some apple juice instead of water, because apple juice has got a little bit of sweet to it, and that's going to help. Some of these Well, there's nothing sweet in here, actually. All right, that's it. Let's give it a try. It's done. So it took a minute. If you test it with a spoon. What do I do with my spoon? Test it with a spoon. If it's a little grainy, just put it back in. Let's give it a try. Look how brilliant that is. One of the ways that you can see nutrition is with color. And this is a powerhouse. So let me give it a try without getting a mustache. Perfect. And I can taste that tang of the rhubarb. Now, if it's a little sour for you, then just put a little bit of sugar in if you want. Or if you use stevia or whatever it is that you use, just put a little bit of sweetener in it and make it, you're the boss. So thanks for watching. Bye. Hi, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. I'd love to hear about it. If you have any comments, I'd love to hear them. If you liked it, do me a favor and click the like button. If you know somebody who would benefit from it, then definitely share it with them. And if you'd like to know more about these sorts of things, then stick around.